Good morning, y'all. Welcome to Best Dishes. One of my favorite days. It's finger-licking good Portobello Mushroom Burgers with pesto mayonnaise.
Tastes like heaven. Today, you and I are making your Portobello mushroom sandwiches.
I've got some Portobello mushrooms over here, Bobby, and I love Portobellos. They eat like meat.
It's like a steak.
Yeah, it really is like a steak. And I'm just gonna rub them with a little of this olive oil.
We're gonna grill them?
Yeah, I'm just gonna throw them right here on the grill. So here we go. I've got those greased up. You know, they take a few minutes to cook unless you're gonna use a grill press.
Right. Got some nice grill marks going on the Portobellos down here.
Oh, good. Ooh, they're looking good. Flip them on over.
Yeah, this is a nice substitute for if you want a good sandwich and you don't feel like something as heavy as a burger. This is a great substitute. I think the mushrooms are ready.
Yeah.
Is it okay to flip these more than once?
Yeah.
Can I turn them over?
Yeah, I'll go
Grill
ahead.
them on top a little bit more?
I'll cut your grill off. How's that?
These are ready, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove them. And
They look delicious.
Put them off to the side.
We had our grill nice and hot, y'all. That didn't take as long as I thought it would probably take to cook those. So while Bobby's toasting off those buttered buns for our Portobello burgers, I'm gonna mix together a pesto mayonnaise that's really gonna complement those Portobello mushroom sandwiches. And I'm gonna use about a half a cup of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of a jarred pesto that we bought from the grocery store. I'm gonna use a couple of teaspoons of a coarse ground mustard. Looks delicious. A little salt. A little pepper. And I'm just gonna mix that up. And just that quickly, we've got a pesto mayonnaise.
Ooh, that's very good.
Is it good?
It's very good.
Okay, Bobby, if you'll bring your buns over here. Get your buns over here, boy.
You got it.
All right, now I'm gonna put a gracious dollop of our pesto mayonnaise on. I'm gonna put some arugula on one side. We're getting very close to pulling this together. I'm gonna put us a piece of roasted red pepper. And then on goes our mushroom, right on top of our baby arugula. And these look delicious, very basic, very simple.
All right.
All right, here we go.
Tastes like heaven.
Look, that looks like a burger, doesn't it, y'all?
Gosh, I love the pesto. And the peppers, and the tomatoes, the lettuce, and the butter on the bun. How come everybody don't do this every day?
No. Hey, y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.